everyone, it's Morgan Yates. Today we're doing another cleaning out my closet video. I used to do these a lot, I think due to the fact that I didn't have as much closet space as I have now here in the back. I haven't done one of these videos since I moved to my new house, and I thought today would be a good day to do one because A, my closet in general is a mess. I just threw a party and have like a bunch of party decor in there. A bunch of clothes are on the ground from like not fully unpacking from trips, so I need to do a general clean out, but also B, I'm out of clothes hangers because I've gotten a bunch of new clothes recently. It's time to do a clean out. That's what we're doing today. Thank you so much to ThredUp for sponsoring this video. First, let's get some before clips of what we're working with. Things are a mess. So this has the potential to be a beautiful closet space, and normally it is. I have like, I'm doing some laundry right now, but I keep like in this corner. This is the closet overview. I keep like dressier things here, dresses, tank tops, t-shirts, jeans, sweatshirts, all the shoes are in the back, jackets, pants, and like long sleeve tops and cardigans. So first we're gonna get this in like a clean state, and then we're gonna do a more detailed going through of seeing what we wanna still keep and not. So right, and we have our after, and she is clean. So I did laundry, I already have some more things to wash. Need to vacuum this floor, but this is the cleanest it's ever been. Normally I have the door to this closet room closed all the time because I have like so much stuff stacked here. Again, this is why we're doing what we're doing. I don't have enough hangers after I just did laundry. I guess some areas of focus. I have my swimsuits up here. I have cover-ups and then bathing suits on this side, and as you can tell, they're overflowing, and I always grab the same like 3 bathing suits and like couple of cover-ups. I've held on to stuff, like I haven't gone through my closet in over a year, and I don't know what's even my style anymore. I feel like a year ago I was holding on to a lot of different items for like hypothetical trips I thought I would wear stuff on, especially like dresses and skirts and things that maybe I would still wear like and keep for that purpose still, but like also maybe it's not even my style. I don't know, because it's been so long. So day 2, picking this up from 7 a.m. 7:30 a.m. I go to town tomorrow morning for a wedding. So much to do before then, including cleaning out my closet. So as I mentioned, this video is sponsored by ThredUp. If you're not familiar with them, they're a great place to shop online, especially if you're someone who likes thrifting. They have thousands of brands online that you can buy secondhand for up to 90% off the retail price. So I went on there because I needed some dresses to wear to this wedding I'm going to over on the East Coast. I feel like most things I wear here in LA are just like black or like not necessarily like wedding appropriate style. I don't know. I didn't think I had like some good options, and I'm in the wedding, so we have a lot of different events for the wedding party throughout the weekend. So I went on ThredUp to try to find especially a good midi dress. I think I got a jumpsuit as well for like more of like a daytime thing. I just spent so much money on my bridesmaid dress and then spent another like $100 on getting it altered to fit, and it's just so much money in a dress I'm not gonna wear again that by the end of that I just didn't want to break the bank on anything else I was buying for the rest of the weekend. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. We have a couple items in here under $15. If you'd like to shop at ThredUp, at the link below, you can use my code Morgan30 to get an extra 30% off your order, and that expires on August 1st. So some extra savings are always great off of some already discounted items. So it's all cutely wrapped up, and then right on top, I believe this is the dress I got for potentially the rehearsal dinner. I'm thinking, because it's a little bit more formal, big fan of a midi dress, and where I'm gonna be going, it's gonna be very hot, so I definitely wanted sleeveless. This is the brand. I'm gonna have the retail price on screen. It was like, I wanna say like $450 almost, and on ThredUp it was only $122. So especially for designer items, you can get really good deals on ThredUp. This is the jumpsuit I mentioned, a little Urban Outfitters moment. Retail was $69, and I got this for $49.99 on ThredUp. Also, when shopping on there, it's actually really easy on the website. You can like select your sizes, and that way when you're searching by brand or by like color or item you're looking for across all brands or whatever, you can select like shop my sizes, I think it is. It'll only show you items in your sizes, so that makes it a lot easier when sorting through so many different items. Next, I've been wanting a little leather skirt, and these run so expensive. So I got this one from the brand Maxima. Retail was $238, and I got it for $45.99. So I thought this would be cute with just like a little tank and like an oversized long blazer, and that'll be great for the summer. Next up, for a very casual daytime dress for my little wedding weekend, I got this Zara dress that was originally $60, got it for $20.99, just a casual number. I like the little like keyhole cute tie at the front. Then I got, you can't go wrong with just like a basic black tank. So I got this one from H&M for $10.99, a little cropped one. I like the high neck cut. I don't have a top that has this cut, surprisingly. You'll see when we go through my closet. I have 1,000,005 like basic black tanks, but nothing that looked like this. And then lastly, it's kind of hard to tell, it's a little asymmetric, but I got this casual dress from Zara for $28.99. It was originally $46. I thought this little zipper detail at the top was fun. It's more of like a mini dress, zips down the side, and that is what I got from ThredUp. So you can save it 30% there with the code Morgan30. So great place to shop, especially as we get into wedding season. You know, for those like dresses you may not wear like more than once. Why spend more than you have to? And again, ThredUp, they have women and kids clothing for up to 90% off. Yeah, every brand you can think of. I mean, they have Gucci, they have everything, so. And now, what was that, 6 items? At the place I used to live, I had a like 1 in, 1 out clothing policy because I was so limited on space. This was my closet, like one section at my last house. And so for every item I brought in, I had to get rid of an item. Literally, that was just like essential. Since moving here, I haven't been doing that. I have like 10 other things that aren't fitting on hairs, but also in general, another reason I just thought of, I don't know, slash I'm thinking I'm not gonna live in this house starting in October. It's a long story. I talk about why in a vlog I just posted on my vlog channel if you haven't seen it. But wherever I move next is surely not gonna have this closet space. So it's probably good for me to just now like get a step ahead and like do a big deep clean, like clear up some extra room. Just because I have this like whole closet doesn't mean I have to be filling every single like inch of it. It'll make my life a lot easier whenever I do actually go to like move somewhere else, because moving's chaotic enough. Let's just hop in, shall we? Let's another thing, actually, you see all these sweatshirts I have, but I have about like 10 more because I just recently had a party at my house outside and it was getting chilly. Apparently decided to run downstairs with like 15 sweatshirts and like hung them up on like our string lights so that everyone could just like grab a sweatshirt. I had just like my own pop-up store going on there. A lot of those made at home with the people that were wearing them. So now they're all over LA and we'll see which ones I ever get back. Literally just starting and I'm already doing the thing where I justify like why I need to keep everything. Like I'm like, oh well, what about the next party? I decided to like go distribute my closet to a ton of people. I should hold on to the ones I don't really like because last time I gave out my best ones. This one was expensive, but I don't like it. Never been worn. Classic, didn't return it in time. The sweatshirt was very expensive, but it's not comfy. Like the inside, I like a fleecy, soft inside. So we have our first item exiting. Next thoughts, these two items are very similar. I would wear these as like little zip up jackets over a workout outfit, maybe if I'm going on a hike. I feel like it's rare that I would opt for something like this over just like a sweatshirt or like a black zip up like workouty jacket, so I definitely don't need to keep both. I'm thinking that I would probably be more likely to wear this one that's a little bit bigger, a little cozier versus this like very tightish one, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Couple gray sweatshirts, like the exact style. One's plain and the one says North Carolina across the front, so I'm always gonna opt for that one. This one can go. I need to cut more, but I just like it all. This one's like a little, what, kind of like Sherpa material. Never worn this, not gonna wear this. At this point, if I've never worn something, it needs to go. I'm justifying so much. It's so hard to like want to get rid of stuff when like you have the room. So I was only cutting what, like 4? I guess we'll jump right below that. So next up for pants, I'm gonna take a seat for this one. All right, I'm never gonna wear these. I've had these for a long time. I think I've worn them like maybe once. Here's like where I start to get into a dilemma is with like skirts. I don't wear skirts. I have some midi skirts that are like I hold on to for like vacations, but like am I even gonna want to wear this on a vacation? I don't know if I'm even gonna still like want to, if this is still my style. Like if I'm going on a trip, all right, Cheetah, she had her moment, you know. Moment's over. I have some solid color ones that I would definitely still wear, but like these random prints, am I gonna wear? Like I got these more out of like necessity. I'm not gonna wear that. Britney Spears skirt. Am I gonna be Britney Spears again? This is the question. Like I have this from a Halloween costume, this like pleated skirt. I'm not gonna wear it. Look, I'm not gonna need that again. All right, well that's 4 more down. We're just gonna work our way back and around maybe, because I need to get rid of some shoes. My tennis shoe little shelf here is overflowing. These are nasty, but these are my workout shoes. When your comfiest workout shoes get disgusting, SOS. But like I'm only ever wearing them to work out. Those sneakers are close enough to these sneakers, and these are a much nicer brand. I'm gonna hold on to those. Up here, again, these are like my most worn shoes. Ew, I need to magic eraser the life out of these or just get more, but these I don't think have ever been worn. I think these can go. Up here, do not need this many pair of black booties. I'm literally never in my life going to wear these like flat booties. I've had these for a million years. 3 more to the pile. Here's the thing about jeans. Obviously this looks like a ton of jeans. It is so hard to find jeans that fit me, like in the waist, in the hips, like lengthwise. And so while this is a lot of pairs, some fit like perfectly. As someone who like tends to easily fluctuate in weight, like a 5 to 10 pound range, I have like my perfect fit for now. I have my perfect fit for if I like lose 5 pounds, like when I'm working out more, you know, like I'm not inclined to get rid of like many or any even. This is like a perfect assortment of like jeans for like really any scenario for like me and my body. So I don't know. Do I see myself wearing black skinny jeans ever again? I guess that's, but what if I want to? Like that's the pair that fits me perfectly. I don't want to have to rebuy. I do not see myself wearing these skinny jeans though. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear this shade of skinny jean probably. All right, down here, this is my basics rack. I have all of my t-shirts and just like basics. Like out of everything in my closet, stuff here gets worn the most. This was from a party. I'm not gonna wear this again. And they have a couple cropped graphic tees, so I'm gonna hold on to this. Love that one. Love that one. I just, you know, I love my band tees. This camo t-shirt, I feel like our days are over. See, I just love these all. Right, this cropped shirt from Topshop, I literally never wear it. It's huge, it's way too big. Battle of the basics, we have some bodysuits in here. This top, what is she? Or is this a bodysuit? Anything that's this shapeless and loose and has no structure, I'm probably not gonna wear anymore. These are almost identical. Yeah, these are like the same top. This one is higher quality. We're gonna get rid of this one. What does this look like? Like we have a little one shoulder bodysuit moment that I thought I was gonna wear, and it still has the tag on it and I haven't worn it, and it's not a cheeky back, which if a bodysuit doesn't have that, then I'm not really gonna wear it. So we're gonna get rid of that. This bodysuit, she was great. I had her for a million years. Again, it's not a cheeky back. I don't see myself wearing this again. This is like a tube top that I used to also wear all the time. Nowadays, I don't think I would wear this. Definitely keep, definitely keep. It's like muscle shirt, muscle tank. I think if I wear this, I'd wear this for like a workout, but probably not even. This, I was obsessed with these basics before I found like these ribbed ones. Like this was like the year before that. These like v-neck, like seamless tops that I loved, but a lot of the ones I have like that are too big. I'm gonna keep that, I'm gonna keep that, gonna keep that. Like these are the style I like, but this color, like am I gonna wear it? Maybe like to the beach over something. All right, this is another one of my other basics. Other white bodysuit, again, I used to wear like 2 to 3 years ago over and over and over. Now it is not the style. Me hanging hangers on my tripod. Here we go, more of those. This, unfortunately, I liked the thought of. I don't think I'm gonna ever actually feel comfortable wearing that. So some solid progress. Adding 15 more. All right, so for this section, we have our dressy tops and then dresses. Items up here, well, like blazers and stuff get worn a lot. Some items don't. A lot of stuff from here gets pulled when I go on trips. Blazer dress, just got, I'm obsessed, definitely keeping. This is like a jumpsuit. We'll hold her. Recently I decided I wanted a dress in this style that's just like, it looks like an oversized shirt. So in the process, apparently I accumulated 3 of those, so I know this one is not my favorite. This dress, I loved the thought of. It has like the little like ruched sides or whatever, if you can see that right there. Like the strings that come all the way down that you tie up. I think this is so cute, but it's too big. Sweater dress, I mean, like the thought. I know I'm not gonna wear this. It's cold, I'm not wearing this. All right, this was like a vacation dress long ago. I would never wear that now. This will literally never ever wear. I'm a big mini dress fan. I'm probably not gonna wear that. Bridesmaid's dress, what do I do with that? I need to sell that. Cheetah, again. Is cheetah over? Let me know. This, what is this? I got this for like when we did our Christmas card, it needed like a little satiny dress. 9 dresses cut. Onto our dressy section. That's my most worn blazer, most worn dressy top. That top I like, that top I like. This is like a, okay, I'm never ever gonna wear this blazer again. I think I am like so now onto like an oversized moment. This one's cute and all, but she too fitted and we're not going to a conference, you know? So, all right, I'm not gonna wear this plain bodysuit. Goodbye. I'm just not gonna overthink it. We're rapid fire round. Am I gonna wear a long sleeve bodysuit ever? Maybe in like New York, maybe, but no, too thin. Not gonna wear that. Am I? No, she looks thin. I can see through. I can see the light through it. It's not New Year's. I'm not gonna wear this. This again, not gonna happen. Cut. Too many blazers this color. This one's not as good quality. She can go. It's safe to say I will never wear this top again that I got for a Christmas card. This cream tank, probably not gonna wear. The same one in white, so I'll keep that one. solid cuts. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 more. All right, next up we have our overflowing swim cover-ups. I literally don't even know what's in here. Okay, nope, 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 nope. So many no's. I have hiccups, so I'm just gonna report back. All right, I'm cutting 9 items here. Everything now fits nice and comfortably. Next for swim. The thing is that like most of this fits, but I grab the same stuff all the time. Like I'm not gonna wear that little metallic number. Let me know, is Cheetah officially out? I need to know. I'm so much. I love the cuts of these suits. I'm eating a snack right now. Are we over it? All right, we're ditching 6. The rest fits well enough. It looks much, much better. As for stuff here, these are like sweaters. I've gone through this a million times. I don't ever bring in new sweaters. These are just like staples that I have for like every, I don't know, cropped, long, cardigans, turtleneck, crew neck, v-neck, whatever. This is a solid like set. This is my capsule. We're gonna keep that as is. Jackets is kind of the same thing. Like I have my one denim jacket. I have my like black denim jacket, my one leather coat, my corduroy top, my puffer vest, like things for every occasion I could go through, and like if I need to clear up space, I will. My teddy jacket, like, I don't know. It's like a one of everything type vibe. I have my white puffer, but then I have this one that's like a lot longer for if I'm going like skiing or something. I don't know. So we're leaving this as is, but here we have our little hanger graveyard. I have to add it up when I'm editing, but that brings our grand total of items we got rid of to this many. Hopefully, I hope we're at like 40 at least. Like that's a good number for right now. Since I am probably gonna be moving out here in a few months, I'm gonna keep operating by my like 1 in, 1 out rule. I feel great. Everything feels so clean. My whole room is like spotless right now. So that is it for this video. Again, please subscribe if you are new, and if you want to get 30% off at ThredUp, you can use my code Morgan30. So thank you so much to them again for sponsoring this. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any video requests, I would love to hear them in the comments. And that is it. I will see all of you in my next video.